In today's video, I'm going to teach you to confirm your American Express card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to activate your card quickly and securely. Whether you prefer using a website, the mobile app, or a phone call, start by choosing the method that's most convenient for you. You can visit the official site at americanexpress.com confirm card on a trusted browser, open the Amex mobile app if you already have it installed, or call the number printed on the sticker that came attached to your new card. Any of these options works. It really comes down to what's easiest for you. If you're online, make sure you're on the official American Express site or app and that your connection is secure. Have your card in hand because you'll be asked for a few details. Enter the 15-digit card number exactly as it appears on the front of your card. Then enter the 4-digit CID code, which for American Express is printed on the front as well, typically above the card number. You'll also be asked for the last 4 digits of your social security number to confirm your identity. Type everything carefully and avoid using spaces or dashes if the form doesn't allow them. If you're calling, you'll provide the same information through the automated system or to a representative. Next, follow the on-screen or in-app prompts to verify your identity and activate your card. This may include receiving a one-time security code, answering a few security questions, or confirming basic personal details. Keep your phone nearby in case a verification text or call is required. Don't close the browser or app until you see a confirmation message that the activation is complete. Once your card is activated, you can set up or log into your American Express online account. If you already have an account, simply sign in to link your new card. If you're new, create a secure login so you can manage your card, track spending, make payments, set account alerts, and view rewards in one place. This is also where you can add your card to a digital wallet if you plan to use it on your phone or watch. And that's it. Your American Express card is confirmed and ready to use. From here, you're all set to make purchases, enroll in alerts for extra peace of mind, and explore your card benefits. If anything doesn't look right during the process, try again using a secure connection or contact American Express support through the official channels. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new card.